Good evening everyone. My name is Rhea Ecanyal and I am from Davao City and I am one of the participants of MM Philippines. One of the active participants. So, makikita nyo dito, nag-withdraw ako nag-get help ako ng 9,900 from last November 4. Galing dito sa bonus ko, bonus chain which is 3,645 and sa referral bonus ko na 6,268 plus leftover account, so total of 9,900. So I want to thank you all the participants kung sino yung mga nag-provide help, si Jalan Donnie at saka si Ja. And thank you kay Mabrudi for sharing this opportunity. It helps a lot of people. So thank you, MMM. Long live MMM. Together we can change the world.